Good evening, everybody. Tonight is going to be a real quick mail call video and a prepper item for you. So let's do a little mail call, okay? And see what everybody sent us. I have been waiting for this one. And I lost my pocket knife today, so. My friend Doug out there, I'm sure you're going to be probably seeing some of this. And I wanted to hurry and get into it before you made your video. But the amazing Sandi at Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona has made some bacon infused peanut brittle. And if you watch me much, you know I love bacon. So Commander Bacon, I got my sample. I can't wait to see yours. Let's give it a taste. Get a piece in there, maybe you can see it. I don't know if this camera will focus on it or not, but there are little pieces of bacon inside of that peanut brittle. So let's give it a try. That's delicious, Sandi. With little crunchies of bacon. I'm going to enjoy all of that. Thank you very much, Sandi. Good stuff. Anything with bacon in it. Good peanut brittle. This one is from my good buddy Kevin over at Lazy Pond Farms. He's also got Lazy Pond Fish and Hunt. Two. I like that black one. That is pretty sweet, man. Thank you. I don't know how this thing is going to work with the old Canerum cup. So we may have to make some kind of special Canerum koozie. I'm sure they'll work great for my Dr. Peppers. Thanks, Kevin. Thank you, guys. That was the quick mail call. And for today's prepper item, I'm going to leave a link down below. This is just a small, affordable surgical kit. Got scalpels in there. Got some hemostats in there. Some spreaders, pokers, all kinds of good stuff. Surgical grade, high quality stainless steel. I'll leave a link for this. It's not very expensive, a good item to have. You never know. Again, polymedical. That'll be your prepper item for the day. You never know where you're gonna need this stuff, but it doesn't hurt to have it. All right, guys, that was the mail call. Check out Commander Bacon, His Way Homestead. Living in outdoors, great guys. Don't forget Lazy Pond Farm, go check him out. And Sandi over at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. I'm gonna leave links for everybody below. Thank you guys for the mail. I really appreciate it. Y'all stay safe out there. Thanks. Have a good evening.